world where busy schedules and social activities take precedence, the value of a good night's sleep often goes unrecognized. This video delves into the crucial role of sleep in maintaining physical health, exploring the physiological processes, consequences of sleep deprivation, and tips for enhancing sleep quality. The intricate dance of rapid eye movement, REM, and non-rapid eye movement, NREM stages during sleep is vital for overall well-being. NREM sleep, with its 3 distinct stages, facilitates physical restoration, while REM sleep supports cognitive functions like memory consolidation and emotional regulation. Quality sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for cardiovascular health, immune function, weight management, and muscle repair. Deep sleep stages play a pivotal role in reducing the risk of heart diseases, enhancing immune response, regulating hunger hormones, and promoting muscle growth. The consequences of sleep deprivation extend beyond feeling tired. Chronic lack of sleep can elevate the risk of chronic diseases, impair cognitive function, weaken the immune response, contribute to weight gain, and hamper physical performance. Prioritizing sleep hygiene is essential for mitigating these risks. To enhance sleep quality, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, optimizing the sleep environment, limiting screen exposure, mindful eating habits, regular exercise, and stress management are key. By embracing these practices, individuals can pave the way for improved physical health and overall well-being. In conclusion, good sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's about nurturing your body and mind. By valuing the role of sleep in your health journey and implementing strategies to enhance sleep quality, you empower yourself to lead a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, a good night's sleep is not a luxury, it's a fundamental pillar of well-being.